static pumping. You're going to place your brush on the, wherever you're working, the treatment area. You're going to connect the bristles. Okay, I'll come closer. And you're going to stretch, zero out your pressure, kind of just fade out and release. Now, stretch. I'm not sweeping. I'm not moving it. I'm just releasing it. And I'm in the same place. Okay, so it would look like this. I'll do it here. It's probably easier. Static pumping. I get the pull and release. Pull, release. Pull, release. So what I'm doing, see the little, the teeth, I call them teeth, but they're really not. They're like little nubs. Okay. I'm letting them pull, stretch, open up that vessel, and release and come back. And the reason I do the static pumping, because if I have a lot of congestion, the lymphatic system is very slow. And if I have a lot of congestion, sometimes you just need to give it some time, right? Like, okay, creating some movement, we're softening the tissue, right? It might feel a little bit fibrotic. And so let's just go ahead and gently soften and release. And as you do this in your neck, you probably will feel it behind your ear, a little bit in your inner ear. You kind of feel this, it's like a suction. It's like a straw that's starting to create that pumping. And it also helps release some of the tight tissue. So you might feel it in the back. This is a static pump. I'm going to grab the facial brush because there's a question about puffy eyes, and I know everybody has puffy eyes, congestion.